Hello everyone, this is Mohan. Hope you're all doing well. A very short message about the upcoming services that we are going to offer for CA final, CMA final students. Good evening once again. This is a small video presentation with respect to the details of CA final and CMA final regular batch. I mean to say the coaching classes as well as the study hours and revision exams batches for CA final and CMA final students. To begin with, let me start with the coaching classes, otherwise called as regular batch. CA and CMA final regular batch phase 3 admissions are going to commence on October 1st, 2021. I repeat, new batch is going to commence on October 1st, 2021. And the mode of coaching will be absolutely in English. The teaching will be absolutely in English. And of course, in case of difficult topics, the teaching will be our faculty is going to repeat the same in Telugu as well. In simple, the mode of coaching will be absolutely in English. Since the majority of the students are from Telugu states, the difficult topics will be repeated. I repeat, it will be repeated in Telugu as well. And the mode of coaching is going to be through video recording lectures. It's not going to be a physical batch. I mean to say it's not going to be an offline batch. It's going to be an online batch. And the mode of coaching will be, the coaching will be given through HD quality video recordings. And please do note that these video recordings are not recorded in studio. These video recordings are not recorded in studio. These are video recordings are recorded in our live interactive classes which are going on as of now. We have started the live interactive classes through an app which is similar to Zoom app recently. And we are providing the video recordings of all those batches through this online mode of coaching. So I'll tell you the difference. Say, for example, take direct taxes or income tax as an example. It's just an example. Or FR as an example. In case of video recorded classes, which are recorded in theater, a recording room, hardly the coaching will complete within 170 to 180 hours, whereas our recorded videos are not of those kind. These video recordings are the recorded videos of the live interactive sessions as of now going on. Thereby, the duration of the coaching for FR itself is more than 200 hours. That is the greatest advantage. That's the greatest advantage. So let me continue. My dear students, the validity of the videos will be up to June 1st, 2022. So you can watch our videos for a duration of 8 months. And if required, subject to the permission being awarded by the faculty, we even extend the validity of the videos by 1 or 2 months. And as you all know that majority of the players are operating the video lecture classes with 1.5 views option. Same is the case with the Masterminds video classes also. And you can watch those videos either through mobile or through tab, either in Android version or in iOS platform. And coaching is available. There's a unique one. Unlike many other coaching centers, we are going to offer the coaching for all the 8 subjects under one roof. For all the 8 subjects under one roof with the best faculty available in the industry. And please do note that apart from coaching being available for group 1 or for group 2 or for both groups, the students can even take admission on subject-wise basis. Say, for example, if you want admission only for paper 6D, economic class, yes, you can avail or you can take admission alone for paper 6D. Say, for example, you want to have an admission for SFM, which is being taught by A.N. Sridharan sir from Mumbai. Yes, you can take admission alone for SFM. Okay, let me continue. Please do note that the coaching is available in 3 platforms, in 3 verticals, or in 3 divisions, either for group 1 or for group 2 or for both groups. Apart from that, the coaching is available even on subject-wise basis also. And for demo videos, you please call 98851 25001 and 98851 25003. The demo videos of all our lectures, the demo videos of all the faculty who have been teaching all the 8 subjects are available at free of cost. Please make a call. Please make use of this opportunity, and you take admission only after watching our demo videos. I can confidently say that you will definitely take admission into Masterminds. And our old SSP students, single step program students who are taken admission for SSP1 or SSP2 or SSP3 can take admission. I repeat, can take admission either for group 1 or for group 2 or for both groups by making the payment of the prescribed refundable caution deposit. And by the end of the coaching, which is probably by June 1st, 2022, will make the refund of the caution deposit without linking the same with attendance. However, I repeat, however, if any of our SSP1, SSP2 or SSP3 students want to take admission for any 3 subjects only, they can take admission without making any payment, including the caution deposit. In simple, free admission is available for any 3 subjects for old SSP3, SSP1, SSP2, SSP3 students. However, if they want to take admission for group 1 or for group 2 or for both the groups, they need to make the payment of refundable caution deposit. And on payment of refundable caution deposit, the students will be given the access to all the videos, and the caution deposit will be refunded after completion of the coaching period or the duration of the coaching. And unlike many coaching centers, we are even providing the doubts clarification window, which is attended by the same faculty, except in case of 1 or 2 subjects which are being handled by most senior faculty. It's only because of the paucity of time they couldn't handle the doubts clarification. Otherwise, even in those cases also, the doubts clarification will be handled by the qualified chartered accountants or the cost accountants. And for the rest of the subjects, except 1 or 2 subjects, the doubts clarification services will be handled or will be offered by the same faculty who are teaching the classes. And dear students, we are reduced the fee substantially only in order to support the student community in this pandemic period. And a fee is subject to GST at the rate of 18%. As you all know that many coaching centers are collecting the GST from the students itself. But as a token of support, during this pandemic time, as a token of support that we want to extend to the students community, we are making the payment of GST out of our pocket. Yes, what you heard is true. We are making the payment of GST at the rate which is taxable at the rate of 18% out of our pocket. And this is the best mode of coaching, which is otherwise called as online mode of coaching, which is otherwise called as coaching to video recorded lectures for those students who are into articleship and planning to take coaching from November 2021. My best advice is better you take admission now itself. You need not even wait till November 2021, as the videos validity are up to June 1st, 2022, which is almost for a duration of 8 months. Say, for example, conventionally or traditionally, we'll be launching the classes physically in the month of November. This time, we are not sure of it. We haven't taken any concrete decision. In such a case, instead of waiting till November 2021, better you take the admission now itself. You can start watching the classes now itself. Please do note it. I repeat, please do note it. These are not videos that were recorded in 2020 or in early 2021. These are the videos that are recorded afresh starting from July 2021. These are the videos. These videos are nothing but the recorded sessions of our live interactive sessions which are going on even today. We have started the live interactive session in July 2021, and we are offering the video recorded lectures of the same session. So these are recorded afresh on or after July 1st, 2021. And keeping in mind the latest trends of the question papers, keeping in mind the latest trends of the question papers of July 2021 CA final examinations, we even have made some modifications in our teaching style. And before I continue, I request all the students to please share this video with your friends whosoever interested in taking admission either for CA final or CMA final regular batch. I mean to say coaching classes are for study hours batches. Dear students, when you compare the number of hours for which we are going to teach, you can find that we are going to give a very detailed explanation in each and every subject. And after completion of the syllabus, students, if they want, can also take admission and can attend the study hours and revision exams batches, which will be for a duration of either 3 months or 6 months. And coming to the CMA final students, yes, admission is also available for CMA final regular batch. And please do note that the admission is available only for both group students. Neither the admission is available for group wise students or for subject wise students. Admission is available only for both groups students. Even the old SSP students can take admission for CMA final by making the payment of the prescribed caution deposit, and the same will be refunded after completion of the coaching. And there's no separate batch for CMA final. To be very frank, to be very honest, there's no separate batch for CMA final, and they'll be given the same video classes that were provided for CA final students. However, I repeat, however, we will arrange a separate video. We'll arrange separate video lectures or video classes for CMA students to teach those areas which are not covered in CA final or which are exclusively there for CMA final students. Now coming to the details with respect to the new CA final study hours and revision exams batch. We have started afresh a new CA final study hours and revision exams batch on September 22nd, both in online and offline mode. My dear students, as I just told you, this facility is available not only in online mode, but also in offline mode. Our campuses have been opened physically. Our campuses have been opened physically. And the first revision examination is going to be from September 22nd and available for both groups as well as single group appearing students under new syllabus. Whereas the students appearing for the older syllabus, yes, we had this facility called the study hours and revision exams batch, but our services will be available who are going to attempt on group-wise basis. In simple, no services are available for both groups attempting students under old syllabus. However, the same is available for those students who are going to attempt under new syllabus. And our services will be available till December 20th, 2021, which is nearly for a duration of 3 months. And unfortunate, I'm very sorry to say that we don't have exclusive CMA final study hours and revision examinations batch this time for CMA final students. However, we have an exclusive study hours and revision exams batches for CMA inter students, which is likely to commence on which was commenced on September 27, 2021. That is on today. And for that batch, the services are going to be till December 2021. Again, that is going to be for a period of 3 months. And students can transfer the CA final document or CMA final document to any of their friends if they are not interested to make use of the services of Mastermize. The transferring can make use of the document and can avail the discount either for CA final or CMA final study hours and revision exams batches, either in online mode or in offline mode. Of course, this time the CMA final study hours and revision exams batches are not available exclusively. And study hours batches, the study hours batches, I mean to say the STREE batches. STREE stands for study hours and revision examinations. STREE stands for study hours and revision examinations. Batches are available at all the branches, including the central office, that is at Guntur. And I'm glad to share that. I'm happy to share that we have crossed 700 admissions milestone in the pre-results CA final and CA inter study hours and revision examinations batches that were commenced in the first week of July. The admissions for the physical batches of CA inter and CA final. For CA inter and CA final, physical study hours and revision examination batches are crossed at 700. And we are hoping to do in the same way for post results batches also, which has commenced on September 22, September 22. And my dear students, before I conclude, I'd like to share few of our achievements at CA and CMA final level. My dear students, this is our 25th session of CA and CMA final level. This is our 25th session for CA and CMA final students. And we had more than 2,000 admissions for CA final as well as for CMA final in the year 2019. Of course, I'm not counting the year 2020 for the reason that all of you know that the admissions got affected. The admissions are reduced drastically because of the pandemic situation. Otherwise, even in 2020 also we'd have seen at least 2,000 admissions. And I'm happy to share that our student by name Guram Pranit, achieved all India first rank in CMA final results that were announced in January 2020. He brought name and fame not only to his parents but also to the team masterminds. And apart from that, I would like to highlight one more achievement. Alone in the year 2020, our students have achieved 3 all India first ranks at CA final, CMA final, and CMA inter level. I'd like to share those images as well. And these are the ranks that were secured by our students at CA final level in the year 2020, including the All India first rank. And these are the ranks secured by our students in the year 2021 at CA final level. And please do note that this excludes the ranks that have been secured by our students in the recent September 2021 results. In simple, all these ranks have been secured by our students at CA final level in February 2021 or in March 2021 results. And nearly 44 ranks have been achieved by our students at CA final level in the last 8 attempts, which includes the following single digit ranks for All India first rank: AIR 1, AIR 4, and AIR 9. And the All India first rank that have been achieved by our student at CMA final level, glad to share that our student by name Guru Bhaskar have secured All India first at CMA final level of February 2020 results. Apart from that, our student has secured All India first rank in CMA inter level also in the same February 2020 results. The same, that is what I'm been telling. Alone in 2020, our students have secured 3 All India first ranks. One, Pranit at CA final level, Guru Bhaskar at CMA final level, and the other one, Deepak at CMA inter level. And the history repeated in 2021 as well. In March 2021 CMA final results, our student has secured All India first rank. Nikhil, our student by name Nikhil, has secured All India first rank at CMA final level also. And these are the ranks that have been secured by our students in the recent September 2021 results. And I'm very, it's my humble submission that we don't want to take any kind of credit for the achievements that have been achieved by our students. And the complete credit goes to the students community. And my dear students, this is my humble submission. When you think of taking admission into Masterminds, give more importance to our commitment in delivering the services, to the care and concern that we show, than to our ranks. And these are the details of each of the subject. FR is being taken by very renowned faculty by name Santosh Mehra sir. And as you can see that the explanation is going to be very detailed manner. and the number of hours for which he is going to take class is more than 200. Is more than 200. And SFM is taken by very senior faculty in South India itself. Is one of the most senior faculty in the South India. Is by name A.N. Sridharan sir from Mumbai, having an experience of 33 years. And again, he's going to take the classes for more than 200 hours. And please, before you take admission into masterminds, you please compare the number of hours for which we are going to teach. You please compare the number of hours for which our faculty is going to teach with that of any other leading faculty in the industry, and you take admission only then. And you'll definitely find that the number of hours for which our faculty is going to teach is, in majority of the cases, is more than the number of hours for which the same subject is being taught by many other faculty in the industry. Coming to the CA final, auditing is being taken by one of our senior faculty by name C.V. Sharma sir, who is having an experience of more than 19 years. And again, the teaching is going to be nearly for 200 hours, and teaching is going to be absolutely in English. Not just auditing, the teaching is going to be absolutely in English for all the subjects. And another subject, the paper 4, P4, is going to be taught by Kaushik Mukesh sir, who is very renowned faculty across the South India, and is going to take the classes for CA final corporate laws for near about 200 hours. And again, this teaching is going to be absolutely in English. And coming to paper 5, as you all know that this is considered to be one of the toughest paper in CA final level, and PK sir, popularly called as PK sir, having a very rich experience in teaching CA final SEMP, and is going to take classes for nearly 200 hours, again absolutely in English. And for CA final 6D, I repeat, for CA final 6D, the classes is going to be taken again by Kaushik Mukesh sir, having a very vast experience of taking classes in many leading coaching centers across South India. And you can find that the coaching for paper 6D is going to be approximately for 100 hours. And coming to the DT is going to be taken by our beloved faculty, Mr. Ramu sir, and is going to take the classes for more than 200 hours, and the teaching is going to be absolutely in English. And IDT is going to be taken by our in-house faculty, having a very rich experience of more than 12 years by Rajashekar sir. He is very famous for taking classes at CA Inter for GST subject, and is going to take classes for CA final IDT for more than 200 hours, and teaching is again going to be absolutely in English. And I forgot to mention that apart from watching the videos either in mobile or in tab, you can even watch our videos in laptop. You can even watch our videos in laptop. I forgot to mention that. It's my mistake. I'd like to correct it. Apart from this, the videos are available for the following subjects in a different format, which is called as rapid revision batches. So these are the details for rapid revision batches. The rapid revision batches are available for the following subjects: FR by Santosh Mehra sir for 50 hours, and you can even find the price there. The rapid revision batches for Chiranjeev Jain sir for FR for 60 to 65 hours. Rapid revision batches videos are available for DT by Ramu sir for nearly 40 hours. Available for SFM by Sridharan sir, A.N. Sridhar sir for 45 to 50 hours. For IDT by Rajashekar sir for 40 to 45 hours. And if any of you wants to have a contact, if any of you wants to have a talk with me, you can send an email to msnmohan2013@gmail.com. Thanks a lot. All the best. May God bless you.